Are you cleaning your brother? It is my brother. Can I have him? Okay. Have enough? No? Okay. Can I please have him? Okay, okay. Ah! I just want to touch my baby. Please. Fine, I'll touch you. I'll touch my baby. No! Oh, look at the baby sleeping. Okay, you has a foot. I see. I see your foot. Is this your foot? Hi. Go back to sleep. Okay? Yes, you're very cute. Yes. You're very cute. Don't fall off the bed. Yes. Yes. Your butt's in his face. Are you done? He's done. Hi, Apollo. Don't eat meat. Go back to sleep. Night night. That's nice. Ah, yawn. Big yawn. Yes, you're so cute. Bye bye.